Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to go over how to make NES boxes. So let's get started. First, I wanted to quickly analyze an original Nintendo box. This one here is from 1987 and it's for the Wheel of Fortune game. As you can see, they use some kind of cardboard stock paper. You'll notice the inside is gray cardboard, whereas the outside was mostly all glossy white prior to printing. Unfortunately, this kind of paper is very hard to find nowadays, so I had to use an alternative that was white semi-gloss on both sides. The type of cardstock I used was A3 110-pound glossy white. A3 is the size, 110-pound is the thickness, and glossy white is the finished type. Note that you can only print A3 sized paper using large industrial printers. I will show you later in this video how printing it on regular home printer sized paper looks like. The sides of the box seem to be glued together using some kind of hot glue. In this video, however, I will be using double-sided tape, but feel free to use any method you'd like. There's an address in the back of the box, which is where the game was probably developed. Back in the 70s and 80s, a lot of these small companies would also do the packaging in-house, so I wouldn't be surprised if this was also printed and packed in the same building. According to their Wikipedia page, GameTech filed for bankruptcy in 1997 and went out of business in 1998. Anyway, I'm going to start cutting the regular sized 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I used an X-Acto knife and a ruler to cut straight lines. Once I was done cutting the straight lines, I slowly went over the rounded corners. There are also some flaps on top that had to be cut. For the A3 sized cardstock, I decided to use scissors instead, just to see which method is better. In the end, I realized that you should use a combination of both the X-Acto knife and scissors. To create the fold lines, I used the smallest clay tool I could find. There are a total of 7 straight fold lines on the box. First, I did the ones on the regular 8.5 by 11 sized paper, then the A3 sized paper. Finally, I just folded at the lines and put the boxes together using double-sided tape. You'll see that the 8.5 by 11 is too small to fit an NES game. but they do look pretty cool and you can use them as cool displays. The A3 box is of course bigger and will fit your NES games because that is the original size of these boxes. Check out the links in the description for the box templates. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.